everybody, what's up? It is Sarah here with the Unleashed Beauty. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So today, you guys, I am super excited to show you how I did this eye look. This is going to be a really easy, it's another eye look for beginners, for my beginners eyeshadow series, but this one is going to incorporate a little bit of color, because one of the things that I hear so much from different people is that they want to try new things, but they're so scared of color. So what we are doing today is going to be so super simple, another quick one for you, but something a little more special, adding in that little bit of purple. So I hope you guys will stick around and check it out. Let's do this. Okay guys, so for today's video, we are going to use another Moodstruck Pressed Shadow Quad Palette from Younique. And the colors we're working with today, aren't they gorgeous? Right here, we have Optimistic, Ambiguous, Nimble, and Marvelous. So let's go ahead and get started today with Nimble. This soft brown shade is going to be our transition. So we're going to start by applying that kind of right into the crease on the outside corner of the eye. Super easy to work with, you guys. This brown is going to blend out really nicely, and this is just going to give us a nice color for everything else that we're going to work with to blend into as we go. So just apply little by little, blend as you go, and then we will come in and hit that again with a bigger fluffy blending brush, and this is just going to help us blend that out all the way along the top edge and also that outer corner. We are going in next with Ambiguous. This is our gorgeous purple shade. This is like a light shimmery lilac-y tone. So this one's a really great way to add a pop of color to any eye look without going really bold with it. I know so many people are afraid of playing up color in their eyeshadow looks, and so if you can pick kind of a softer tone, that's a great way to get started with it and kind of start building up your confidence and your comfort level with those shades. So purples are really fun for green eyes. They're going to make that green really pop. They look gorgeous with hazel eyes, brown eyes, blue eyes, any eye color. That's why purple is such a great option for a beginner's look when you're wanting to start bringing in some different color. All right, so we've just applied the Ambiguous, the purple color, to about 2/3 of the lid, and really just kind of focus that on the lid. I am going to go back in with my fluffy crease brush. This is the same one that we used for our transition shade, and I'm just going to blend that along the top, blend it right into that first shadow that we used called Nimble. Okay guys, so next up we're going in with Marvelous, which is going to be our darkest shadow in the whole palette, and we're going to start focusing this towards the outer corner of the eyelid and down into that lash line a little ways. Basically, I'm starting at about the outer third of the eye, very tight to the lash line, and then building it up as we go out towards that outside corner. And that's where we're going to make kind of our little, again, with that backwards V. I'm going to bring that right back inward and really focus that in the corner of the lid. Okay guys, last but not least, we are going in with the color Optimistic from our palette today. This is probably my all-time favorite highlight shade out of all of the Moodstruck Pressed Shadows. So we're going to pop this right into the inner corner and bring it out a little ways onto the lid. So that blank space that we had left on the lid before, we're going to fill that right in with this Optimistic and just really open up that inner corner of the eye. This is going to make you look like your eyes are a little bit brighter, a little bit wider, like you're a little bit more rested. Who doesn't need that? So let's get this on here. I am bringing that up a little high, kind of towards, in towards my crease. And then very lightly, we're also going to place this right under the brow. for a nice little highlight there. And to finish up this look, we're going to go back into our Nimble for starters. We're going to lay that down right under the lower lash line. And then we're going to go back to Marvelous one more time, our darkest brown here, and put that right under the outside corner of the lower lashes. If you wanted to, you could bring some of that purple down below the lash line too to really keep that color popping. But since this is more of like a beginner's themed look today and we're just starting to introduce color, I'm going to stick with that solely on the lid. So let's go ahead and give this a light little blend just to make it all nice and smooth. Okay, so there you have it. The eyeshadow is on. I'm going to go ahead and finish up with some lashes and lips, and I will be right back with our finished look for the day. Okay, you guys, I am back. I did go ahead and finish out this look with some Moodstruck Epic Lash Primer and Epic 4D Mascara, which is my favorite. You guys, it's a one-step fiber mascara. It's incredible. I will link it for you down in the description box, as well as the quad palette that we used today. So just to go over it one more time, because I know you guys probably love these colors. I know I do. We used Optimistic, Ambiguous, Nimble, and Marvelous today. Like I said, I will link those in the description box. You guys, what do you think about this look? I hope you love this one as much as I do. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. I love hearing feedback from you guys. I hope you guys will try this look. If you do, let me know how it goes for you. Also, if you do not already subscribe to this channel, be sure to like this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up, right? Subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you guys never miss a notification anytime I upload to this channel. Okay, you guys, that's it. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Be kind to one another. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.